ওয়েলকাম টু আওয়ার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল ফিজিক্স মন্ত্ৰা। তো আমি আজি পলিটেকনিকেলৰ যোনটো চাইণ্টিফিক এছিষ্টেণ্ট আছিলে পলিটেকনিক কলেজৰ তাৰ ছিৰিজৰ যোনটো চাইণ্টিফিক এছিষ্টেণ্ট ফিজিক্স পাৰ্ট যোনটো জেনেৰেল কোৰ্চ বুলি কোৱা হৈছিলে তাৰ চিলেবাছটো তাৰ কণ্টিনিউ ভিডিঅ'টো আমি তাৰ ছিৰিজটো আমি লৈ আহিছোঁ। ইয়াত আমি কোৱাণ্টাম মেকানিক্সটো বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যনবিলাক আমি ইয়াত ৰিভিজন কৰিম। আপোনালোকে কুইক ৰিভিজন কৰিব পাৰিব এক্সাম যোৱাৰ আগত। তো আমি স্টার্ট করেছো প্রথম কোয়েশ্চন ইন মিলিকান ব্যালেন্স অয়েল ড্রপ এক্সপেরিমেন্ট কোনটো কারেক্ট হব বি এক্স ই ইজ ইকুয়াল টু এম জি হব। ওকে নাম্বার 2 ই বাই এম অফ এন ইলেকট্রন ইজ সদায় মনত রাখিব 1.759 ইন্টু 10 টু দি পাওয়ার 11 কুলম পার কেজি। নাম্বার সি 1.759 ইন্টু 10 টু দি পাওয়ার 11 কুলম পার কেজি। এটা হবে ইলেকট্রন মাস রেশিও। ওকে the ratio of electron mass ratio of proton to electron mass ratio of electron to সদায় মনত ৰাখিব a 1 by 1837 1 by 1837 এর রেশিও হয় বুঝ ইয়াত মনত ৰাখিব ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোয়েশ্চনস। আমি নেক্সট মুভ কৰিছোঁ। ইয়াত কৈছে Number 1, the energy corresponding to the wavelength lambda. तो मन रखिए energy corresponding to the wavelength of lambda अब hc by lambda. Okay, number B is correct. The momentum of a particle is given by momentum of a particle की दी होगा momentum is equal to h by lambda. Number A is correct. Number B is also correct. Number C is also correct. Number D is also correct. 3 are correct. Okay, all are correct. চাব এইটো কৰি চাব আপোনালোকে ইয়াৰ মোমেণ্টামটো ওলাব। ওকে নাম্বাৰ 3 দ্য ফটোইলেক্ট্ৰিক ইফেক্ট টেক প্লেচ অনলি ৱেন দ্য ৱেভলেন্থ অফ ইনচিডেণ্ট লাইট ইজ কি হ'ব লাগিব ইকুৱেল টু দ্য থ্ৰেছল্ড ফ্ৰিকুৱেঞ্চি দ্য এবভ দ্য থ্ৰেছল্ড ফ্ৰিকুৱেঞ্চি অৰ বিলো দ্য থ্ৰেছল্ড ফ্ৰিকুৱেঞ্চি। দ্য ফটোইলেক্ট্ৰিক টেক প্লেচ অনলি ৱেন দ্য ৱেভলেন্থ অফ ইনচিডেণ্ট লাইট এবভ দ্য থ্ৰেছল্ড ফ্ৰিকুৱেঞ্চি। নাম্বাৰ 1 ইজ the photodioid will take place only when the wavelength of incident light is below the threshold frequency of light. Okay, below the threshold frequency. Frequency wala above wavelength wala below because frequency and wavelength are inversely proportional. So below the threshold frequency of. Okay. Number 4, the photoelectric effect involve only kya involve hobo photoelectric effect bound electron. Number A is correct. Free electron na hobo. Number 5, if an electron can be stopped by a potential of 5 volt its kinetic energy eto kiman hobo. Number D is correct 5 electron volt. Number 6, relative to the original photon. Okay, relative to the original photon. Okay, the photon that emerges from an collision with an electron has ki hobo more wavelength ki more wavelength hobo. Okay, number B is correct. If the shift in wavelength del lambda in quantum effect is equal to the quantum wavelength when 90 degree, that means 9 pi by 2 pi 5 is equal to pi by 2. B is correct. The phenomena which points towards the corpuscular nature of electromagnetic wave is etu khadal mane hobo quantum effect hoy Compton effect. Okay, corpuscular nature to give Compton effect. Very very important questions we are discussing here. Okay, move to the next. আমি মুভ কৰিছোঁ কোৱাণ্টাম থিয়ৰী ৱেভ পাৰ্টিকল এইটো ওপৰত কুৱেশ্যন কিছুমান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন আছে সেইটো আমি ইয়াত চাম। অ'কে, তো কুৱেশ্যনকেইটা হ'ল কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল দ্য ৱেভলেন্থ এছ'চিয়েটেড উইথ দ্য পাৰ্টিকল অফ এ মাছ এম মুভিং উইথ এ ভেলচিটি ভি ইজ গিভেন বাই কি হ'ব lambda is equal to h by mv. Okay, lambda is equal to h by mv. Number A is correct. Divergence and thermal experience related ki hor upor hoy to electron diffraction. Remember electron diffraction. Number B is correct. Number 3, the relation between de Broglie phase velocity Vp and velocity of light c. Or number 1 is correct. Vp is greater than c, that means de Broglie phase velocity is greater than velocity of light. Remember, very important question. Number 4, the relation between de Broglie wave group velocity Vg and particle velocity always equal. B is correct. Number 5, which of the following is correct statement in Heisenberg uncertainty principle? All is correct. dp momentum লগত x থাকিব, angular momentum লগত dt থাকিব আৰু energy লগত time থাকিব. ABC 3 are correct. Number 6, the wavelength of de Broglie was associated by a electron associated with a 100 volt. It is solve করলে কেমন পাবো আপনি? Number C is correct. Okay, you solve, you find an answer number C, 1.27. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Number B is correct. Energy time লগত থাকিব. Okay, energy x লগত না থাকে, momentum x থাকিব. Number B is correct. Okay, moving to the next question, next slide. Moving to the next slide. So here question number 1 question, which of the following wave functions represent the free particle moving along positive x direction? Positive হলে কি হবে? Positive হলে কি হবে? Negative হবে লাগিব a e to the power I kx minus omega t. Okay, that means a e to the power I kx minus omega t. Number C is correct. Next question, a free particle has definite energy but indefinite momentum, definite momentum but indefinite energy, definite energy and definite momentum, definite energy and indefinite momentum. A free particle has definite energy and definite momentum. Free particle কি হয়? Definite energy হয় আর definite momentum হয়. Schrödinger wave equation for a moving particle contain. Schrödinger wave equation for a moving particle contains first order time derivative, the second order time derivative, then third order time derivative, none of it. Schrödinger wave equation for moving particle contain first order time derivative. Okay, first order time derivative is correct. For a stationary state, the probability density is function of time. For a stationary state, the probability density is function of what? Function of time. Okay, sorry, independent of time. B is correct, independent of time. The probability of finding a particle in a distance dx around a point, number B is correct, psi star dx. For a 3-dimensional case, which is the normalized condition? Number 1 is correct. Integration psi star dv is equal to 1, where n is equal to m হবে লাগিব. যদি m is equal to n not হয় 0 হবে, এটা কি হবে? অর্থগোনাল হয়ে যাব, নরমালাইজ হবার কারণে এটা হবে লাগিব. কারেক্ট, ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোয়েশ্চনস. ইয়াত যোনবিলাক কুৱেশ্যন ডিছকাছ কৰা হৈছে সেইবিলাক কুৱেশ্যন বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়. আপুনি এক্সামত এপিয়াৰ হোৱাৰ আগত কুইক ৰিভিজন কৰিব পাৰিব. প্লিজ আপুনি এইটো শ্লাইড চাই পেলাই. অ'কে, ইয়াত কোৱা হৈছে দ্য এনাৰ্জি অফ এ পাৰ্টিকল ইন 1-dimensional বক্স ইজ, কি হ'ব? Number B is correct, directly proportional to n square. The energy of a particle in 1-dimensional closed box is কি হবে? The energy of a particle in 1-dimensional closed box, remember, directly proportional to n square. Directly proportional to n square. Energy of a particle in 1-dimensional box. Very, very important questions. The energy of a particle in 1-dimensional closed box of a length is, কি হবে? Inversely proportional to number D, inversely proportional to L square. Okay, inversely proportional to L square. Number D is correct. The number of nodes in a ground state wave function of a particle in a finite square well. So number 3 question क्या होगा? 2. Number of nodes in the ground state wave function of a particle in a finite square well কি হবে? 2. Two wave functions psi and psi x are orthogonal. Orthogonal হবার কারণে 0 হবে লাগিব. ওকে, নাম্বার B is correct. Integration psi star dx is equal to 0. For a particle trapped in a box length L, the average value of momentum average value কি হবে 0 হবে okay 0 number C is correct. The reflection coefficient for a particle incident on a potential step with energy less than the height of a step is height of a step কি হবে number A 1. Number A is correct 1. The reflection coefficient for a particle incident on a potential step of energy is less than the height of the step কি হবে number C half. Number A is 1 okay. The relation between coefficient of reflection R and transmission T for a particle into 1. Number C is correct. The energy of a one-dimensional harmonic oscillator in a ground state 1/2 h cut omega. So moving to the next slide. The velocity of a electron. The velocity of electron in the first Bose orbit. Velocity of electron in a first Bose orbit is equal to 1/37 into velocity of light. Number C is correct. Rydberg constant for a hydrogen R, which of the following value gives out short wavelength limit of Heisenberg 1/r. Number B is correct. Heisenberg constant for a hydrogen ion, what is the longest wavelength 1216. Number B is correct. The ratio of photon mass electron mass 1837. Remember, very important questions. The wave function of hydrogen atom depends on the length. The wave function of hydrogen atom depends on nm, principal quantum number, orbital quantum number, and magnetic orbital quantum number. D is correct. The value of principal quantum number n corresponding to the ground state of hydrogen atom is the value of principal quantum number n from ground to 1. D is correct. B is correct 1. 6 1. Okay. Next, the energy of hydrogen atom depends only on. The energy of hydrogen atom depends only on n. Energy depends upon only n. 7C. The orbital quantum number of an first accelerated hydrogen atom A 2√2 h cut. The maximum allowed value for orbital quantum number for a given principal quantum number n is the maximum value allowed orbital quantum number n plus 1 B. C n minus 1. C is correct. The jet component of orbital angular quantum number in a ground state of hydrogen atom is jet component of hydrogen or orbital angular quantum number in a ground state of hydrogen atom is A0. The number of allowed orientation for a orbital angular quantum number for the state L is equal to 3 is 3. Number D is correct. The energy of one-dimensional harmonic oscillator in the first accelerated state 3/2 h cut omega. Number C is correct. So this question, the value of Bohr's magneton. Number B is correct. 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 ampere meter square is correct. The direction of orbital magnetic moment in hydrogen atom opposite to that of the orbital angular momentum. The energy of first accelerated state minus 3.4 4 electron volt. The value of spin quantum number of an electron in a hydrogen atom plus half. Number B is correct. The number of orientation of spin angular momentum of an electron in a hydrogen atom is 2. The number of allowed orientation given about 2. Number C is correct. The total number of allowed value for total magnetic quantum number mj for the given above 2j plus 1. The number of allowed value total quantum number mj for electron 2. Number C is correct. On which of the following level of hydrogen the spin orbital interaction has no effect? S level. The principal series of hydrogen atom is observed during the transition of the electron from p to s. The value of Legendre splitting factor gs per s to 2. Number C is correct. The normal Zeeman effect level of given L split into 12 plus 1. C is correct. 12 plus 1 is correct. Move to the next question. Very important question. Exam जो आ रहा था अपन लोग क्विक रिवीजन कर जाओ. Very important question मैं डिस्कस कर जाऊँ. This question, the wave function which change spin under exchange of particles is called what? Is called number B, antisymmetric. The wave function which change sign under exchange of particles are called antisymmetric. A system of electron is described by a wave function which should be a system of electron is described by a wave function which should be a antisymmetric. A is antisymmetric. The energy level of a multi-electron atom depends on what? C, M, N and L. Principal quantum number and orbital quantum number. The electron which have same N, L quantum number are known as equivalent or non-equivalent. It's called equivalent. Equivalent will okay. Number 5. Fermions are particle with what? Half integral. B is correct. Boson are particle with boson 0 n integral spin. Number A is correct. 0 n integral spin. Helium atom in a singlet state is known as orthohelium, perihelium. Number 8 B, perihelium. B is correct. Spin wave function are symmetric with respect to exchange of particles for spin wave function are symmetric with respect to exchange of particles for what? Doublet, singlet, triplet. Number 8 A, singlet. The spectral line in the principal series of sodium atom. The spectral line in principal series কি হবে? Number B, doublet. The yellow D line of sodium spectrum corresponding to sub series, fundamental series, principal series, difference series. Number 18, 10, principal series. Okay, principal series. Number C is correct. Number C is correct. This is question. Which of the following has highest frequency? Number C, X-ray. Wavelength of visible light is more than that of X-ray. What is the velocity of X-ray in vacuum? Is equal to velocity of light. C, B is correct. A coldest tube, the electrons are focused on the target by electron gun. Number C is correct. The quality of X-ray is determined by the quality of X-ray is determined by what? 4C, potential difference between the cathode and anode. The intensity of X-ray is determined by potential difference between X-ray and filament current. The intensity of X-ray is determined by filament current. The quality is number B to number 4 to the quality of X-ray is determined by potential difference between the cathode and anode. For increasing the number of electrons striking the anode of an X-ray tube, which of the following characteristic of X-ray? Increase intensity. X-ray tube operate this volt 2000 volt. What is the energy of the most energetic X-ray photon? 7 question answer है वो number C. आपने कोई सा number C है वो. Okay. The continuous X-ray are produced as a result of loss of kinetic energy of incident electron. The minimum frequency limit of X-ray spectrum depends upon kinetic energy of incident electron. The frequency of any line in characteristic X-ray spectrum is directly proportional to the number 10 square of atomic number of an target element. Okay, target element. The last question I said to molecule and Raman effect. Last slide. You say the stable configuration of in hydrogen molecule or ion occur at the distance of B 1.06 angstrom per second. Number 2, the binding energy of hydrogen molecule ion is number C 2.65. Which of the following is homonucleus? Homo oxygen. Okay, B is correct. Which of the following state for a diatomic molecule have N2? C. Which type of spin wave function describe the system of electron? Antisymmetric. Number B. The rotational energy level of an hydrogen of a molecule are unequally spaced. The rotational spectrum of frequency equally spaced. The vibrational energy level of a molecule are vibrational energy level equally spaced. The selection rule plus minus delta is equal to plus minus 1. The Stokes and interference spectrum are equally spaced. Okay. Thank you so much. যদি ভিডিওটি ভাল লাগিছে লাইক কৰিব শেয়ার কৰিব আৰু কমেন্ট কৰিব আৰু নিজৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীৰ লগত মোৰ ভিডিওটো শেয়ার কৰিব. Good night.